You're the runner! What the fuck's going on here? Exit dive. What you doing? Yeah, slow down. Nice. Postal van doesn't stop. Direct to left lane. Direct to left lane. Stop sign. Get out of my trunk, lady. For Christ's sakes. Stop sign! Decorated for Christmas. As of now, it is the Monday before Halloween, okay? I think that was a dive. The exit type. Red light runner. What the hell are you doing? Yeah, that saved you a whole bunch of time, didn't it? Do you mind? Douchebag. I'm gonna find a new word for douchebag. You're gonna find a way to stop at the stop sign. From the stop. Stop before you turn. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Fuck you. Jerk. Lift, of course. It's a fucking lift. Fucking asshole.
Finally, one base. Tom Jones dressing up as John Lennon. Go figure. Now, we won't be marking the end of Halloween tonight with a fireworks show because of that weather, but it still should be a great time.
Nope. One exit diver. Yeah, two exit divers. Yes, he did. Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Didn't see that coming.
What would it take for you to get a tattoo you didn't want? $1 million? How about $1 million tops? I'm Randy from Bonehead. When me and my business partner Dave got together, quit our jobs to start a stock company.
Thank you.
We wanted to make the best.
Is there a reason why you couldn't move over?
It's our life.
But then in November, the lifeblood leaves. So does Dracula. And Salem residents can once again
Oh,
find
lady.
a place to park. From Salem, Carl Stevens, WBZ Boston.
Why'd you have to get into the left lane? Go, 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 go. Not supposed to be in that lane. Trucks must use 2 right lanes. Jesus Christ, you're on my last friggin' nerve. Yes! Exit. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. That's a no. That's a no. Hey, look at that. Went all the way to the direct to the left lane. Because Toyota, because Lyft Uber. No, 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 no. Stop sign, you know. Thank you. Stop sign, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, stop sign, thank you. Yeah. Wait, dude, it. You need gas that badly?
Northbound Expressway looks good. Heading up into the city, no problems. Route 3 along the South Shore, 2495 is good.
Exit dive.
128 is clear for...
Yeah, I thought that was a little close. What the hell? Thank you, Connecticut. Nice exit dive, douchebag. That was a little bit close. Stop sign, princess. Well, I guess this is 1 lane now, huh? Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, Camry. Thank you. Yeah. What an asshole, but hey, Florida, what a shock. Yeah, haha. You're more than a friend, true love to me. When I look at him. Could you go any fucking slower? What the hell are you doing? That's not a legal left turn. You're a dum-dum. Toyota direct to the left lane. Toyota direct to the left lane. Is there a reason for that? Yeah, this lane. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Stop. Are you gonna sit there all day, stupid? You got a green light and go. Wickedy, wickedy, wickedy. What the hell, dude? Come on. Let's pick your lane, get in it. Yeah. Red light runner. There's no left turn there, stupid. There's no left turn. That is a no left turn. Fucking idiot. What the hell are you doing? Fucking Lyft, fucking Uber. Where's the stop, of course? Did she run the... you're in the stop. You're in the stop. Yep. Climbing lane, stupid. Yeah. Jeez. Turn signal? Go ahead, roll stop. Yes! Most of course, make this 42 seasons a year. Hey! Wow. Oh, hey. Stop sign, you stupid ass. Just bomb out. Yep. Oh, it's gonna be a hell exit dive here. Yes, that's an exit dive. I'm calling that an exit dive. Alright. Let's see who gets into the non-existent lane up here. Yeah. Yeah. Prius, yep. Herpender Prius, Herpender, yeah. No, it's not how it works, dumbass. Wakety. The hell are you doing, dude? He's a professional driver. Prius runs the stop. Audi and BMW. The hell are you doing? You're not making me want to vote for that person. You're driving like an asshole. Yeah! Jesus. Run the red. Everybody, run the red. Like you. Is he gonna run the red? Wow. Yeah, easy disposal. Yeah, nice. Let me tell you, no, I can't forget. Forget there's a stop sign there, Mr. FedEx truck? That's a stop sign, Mr. Civic. Stop sign, Mr. Acura and Mr. Traverse. Thank you, and Mr. Mercedes. Yeah, thank you. I'm going anyway. I really appreciate it. It was my turn. From those good old times. Do you fucking mind, Civic? Thank you. Douchebag. Was broken all of mine from this broken brain. You stay in your lane of mine. Oh, nice. Yep. Drive like an asshole, Mr. Cement Truck Driver from Benevento Companies. Alright, Subaru. Stay in your friggin' lane. Put down the phone or whatever it is you're doing. Pride, finding back the tears. The hell? 1 and 2. Yeah, that Jeep didn't stop at all. Neither did that Jeep. Doubt if you'd see it. Go. Why don't we stop now? Why don't we stop now?